Well, hello there. This is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. Guys, I'm excited to see you today. Today in the studio, we're going to make a cute summer fun candle. Now, before we get into everything, I want to let you know that if you want this entire recipe, you may be watching me decorate, but listen to me. You don't know how to wick this candle. You don't know my fragrance load. You don't know how to select your wicks from the right company. And at the same time, you don't even know what type of wax I'm using, top and bottom, okay, to make this candle go right. If that's the case and you want to know, just click the link in the description box and it will take you straight to my Patreon, where you'll find everything: the wicks, the wax, the fragrance load, everything you need to make a candle that smells amazing, okay? All right, now, the jars that we're going to be using, the vessels that we're going to be using today, these are the Candle Science mini tumblers. Now, the mini tumblers are really cute. I love them because they're so much fun to work with, and also they are light to ship. We all know that nobody likes to pay for shipping. I know I don't. So when it comes down to labeling them, it's also easy because it's just like, you know, just this small area that you have. So it just make labeling them easy. Creative, fun labels, you name it. I mean, the list goes on when it comes down to this mini tumbler. The mini tumbler is hard to wick for people who don't know the information I know. Most people that wick this tumbler, they try double wicking it, and it's so small, the diameter is so little, you cannot double wick this. This is a single wick, but there is a special wick required for this, okay? And if you join the Patreon and you already in there, I will post it inside the Patreon, and that's the only wick that will seem to work, because if you go back, it'll burn too small, and if you go forward, the flame will be too big. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. We're about to make a little cute candle, and I'm gonna give you guys your supply list. You're gonna need to prepare some whipped topping. When I say whipped topping, I'm talking about wax that's already whipped. I do have a video to teach you guys how to make whipped topping, what wax to use and everything like that. So if you go and look up how to make whipped topping, you'll see my video. It had a lot of views. I actually just didn't even know that the video was gonna get that many views, but hey, welcome. All right, you're gonna need that. What else are you gonna need? I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, and then also you're gonna need a silicone mold. I'm not sure how you're gonna make yours. This is the actual supply list because I've changed exactly what I'm going to be doing. We're gonna make some watermelon candles, and you're gonna need a watermelon mold. I will link it in the Patreon, guys, how you can get a watermelon mold and the watermelon seed mold as well. This is the seeds right here from the seed mold. The actual mold is like a white color. So I'm gonna link all of that for you guys, so you guys could be able to get those so you can make these candles. And we're gonna keep our jars. We're just gonna go with a different design. I know. I just had to change it up. I know y'all be doing the same thing too. Well, anyway, I have some red that I'm going to be using. This is why it's important to save your wax. This is from some embeds that I made for strawberries. I'm going to use this for watermelon. So I'm getting ready to take this and melt this down, and then we're going to go from there. Next thing you're going to go ahead and do is melt down some wax, and you're going to color this wax red. Okay guys, so I went ahead and poured some wax into here that I colored red. So the next thing we're going to do is, I have a little bit of light green whipped wax. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put this inside of a piping bag. We're going to use our piping tip, and we're going to pipe around the tops of this. We're going to add our watermelons, our seeds, and also a label to our mini tumblers. Okay, so now for the fun part. What we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and pipe around. As you can see, I didn't pipe a circle going around because I felt like it would look better if I piped it up to the top, and it does. I like it better this way. So next, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to put a nice little watermelon on this. You can use 1, 2, however many you feel comfortable with using